Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let us solve this decimal division method. Okay, see, whenever they give the decimal division, you can follow this method. First of all, whenever they give the two numbers also in decimal, first try to remove this decimal point and write the number in fraction. So firstly, I will write the number in fraction. See, 465 you have to write, and divided by, now write the number of zeros, of count how many numbers are there after the decimal point. After the decimal point there are 1 2 3 three numbers, right? So try to write three zeros, 1 1 2 and 3, three zeros. Okay, now write this divide symbol. Then 0.3 also try to remove the decimal point. So I will write 3. Now you tell me, after the point how many numbers are there? There is only one number. So try to add one zero in the denominator. That is 1 and only 1 0. Understood friends? How did I wrote this? Then next is, there is one more step to remember. See here. Now this division symbol I will write as multiply. And now after writing this, I can write this as reciprocal of this number, 10 divided by 3. Understood? When the division symbol becomes multiply symbol, okay, and then you can do the reciprocal of this number, that is 10 divided by 3. Now you can do the simplification. This 0 and this 0 get cancelled. Now 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are is 3. One more is left out, so I'll give this carry to the next number. That is 3 5s are is 15. Okay. Now here one more is left out, I'll give the carry. 3 5s are 15. Okay. Your answer will be 155 divided by 100. Now how many zeros are there in the denominator? 2 zeros, right? So cancel the zeros and try to put two decimal point after two numbers, because there is a 2 zeros in the denominator. So 155 you write, and how many zeros? 2 zeros, right? 1 2. 1.55 will be your answer. Understood friends? Okay. Now let me take one more example. Okay, and I'll explain you. 1.25 divided by 0.5. So again try to remove this decimal point. First I'll write it as 125 divided by, after point how many numbers are there? Two numbers, right? 1 0 2 0. Add two zeros. Then this divide symbol. Then this also again 5 divided by, after point there is only one number, I will write as 10. Understood? Now 125 divided by 100. Okay. Now this division sign becomes multiplication sign, and you can take the reciprocal of this number. Okay. It will become 10 divided by 5. Cancel this 0 with this 0, and next is simplify. 5 ones are 5. Okay, 5 twos are is 10. Now 2 is remaining. I'll give this to this number. Then is 5 5s are 25. Now your answer will be 25 divided by 10. Okay. Now cancel this 0 and put the point in the numerator after one number. If there is 1 0, cancel it and put a point after one number. Here we have two zeros. We have cancelled these two zeros and we have put a point after two numbers, right? If we have three zeros, put a point after three numbers. I hope you have understood friends. Okay. Now I'll give you one sum as a homework. Please do it and comment me in your answer in comments. Okay. So this one, take it as a homework. Okay, this one you can take it as a homework, solve it by yourself by using the same method, and then you can tell the answer in my comments. Thank you.